61A lecture number 26 announcements are that midterm 2 is on Thursday. Please take a look at the logistics post, read over the study guides, and if you have any last-minute changes that you need, feel free to continue filling out the alternate request form, but that was due yesterday, so we can't guarantee that we'll be able to make changes to seating at this point, but you can always make a request. Today we'll have a guest lecture by Pamela Fox, who's taught this whole course before. She's going to teach you how to build web apps. There are no pre-recorded videos for this lecture, so you can come in person in Wheeler. You can join via Zoom, or you can watch the Zoom recording. We won't have any lecture at all on Wednesday. Lab attendance this week is optional, but there will be lab, and it's dedicated to midterm 2 preparation, and there will not be discussion section Wednesday through Friday this week because you'll be taking an exam and then we'll be grading it. I do recommend taking a look at some past exams, especially the ones from recent previous fall semesters, and you'll find links to all those in the logistics post or up here in the past exams link.